welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working on my weekly painting, acrylic collage painting project. This time I am using some jelly printed pages. Can't remember exactly what the prompt was, but it had something to do with fish. So I decided to do just like a fish portrait. Is that what you would call it if he's in the center? So I googled ugly fish, and I found this ugly fish, and that is what I'm going to recreate with my jelly printed paper, and I'll insert a photo of the ugly fish here. So it is Google quality, so it's like not a very high quality resolution on that, but it's just the inspiration, and it may or may not end up looking like that. So I found some blue ones that I thought would make good water background for my fish portrait. And I'm just going to collage these on using, I think I used matte medium for this rather than the Elmer's glue this time. Since I was using my jelly printed papers, I kind of wanted a better quality adhesive, I think is what I was thinking when I decided to use my matte medium. Gel medium would have been better. The matte medium is a little thin for painted papers, but it works okay. So now that I've used up all those, I have to pick another color or another piece of paper. I didn't have anything the same kind of color as the one I'd already done, so I figured I would use this one. It's a little bit darker, but it would kind of make it like shadowing behind the fish, right? So I'm going to put these on, and I won't make you watch me do the whole thing around the fish. I think I stick a few on and then skip to the end of that. Kind of the inspiration for this ugly fish print is a long time ago. I was in Anacortes, that's in Washington, on Whidbey Island, at their fair, and there was a place where you could do an ugly fish shirt. And they would have an actual fish, and you'd slap paint on there, and then you'd slap that fish onto a t-shirt, and then you had an ugly fish shirt. So that was the original inspiration for that. Alright, so now the background's done. I did trace that onto deli paper as well, and I'm picking some orangey colors just to kind of contrast, stand out from the blue, and yeah. So now I've got all those bits cut out. I just have to remember where they all go. So I think I lay them all out here before I glue them down. And yeah, I'm using a picture to remember what shape each thing was. So that's my picture of the fish, the ugly fish. There we go. So now I made sure I had all the pieces. I think I took a picture. I don't think I saved that, just so I had it for reference. But it's pretty simple. So I'm going to glue all those bits on, and then we'll add some paint and some color to give it more life. Okay, now everything's on there, and I do let it dry, and this is sometime later. And now I'm going in with Posca. I'm going to fix his eye a little bit, and just add some more details and some interest. The original photo had really black lines on that fin, but I'm not sure I'm as happy with those on my fish as I was on the photo. But we'll just keep adding things. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to add some white, hopefully. Paint pens don't like me. White does not like me. But we'll give it some white highlights, and hopefully that will make it look more alive. So I decided to add some gold, and I figured I'd make some gold bubbles going up, just some little circles. And then since I have some left over, well, we might as well add a little gold to the fishy, right? And you can't really see the shimmer, but if you look at it at an angle, you'll see the shine. And I think it's pretty much done. What do you think of my ugly fish? Isn't he cute? I think he's cute. I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And thank you all for watching.